A lot of the physicians who have been here a long time, I see people who are passionate, intelligent, well-spoken, willing to sacrifice their time and their energy for something that they believe in. And I feel like Dr. Kessler role models that to the nth degree.
When I went into college, I knew I was interested in science. I'd gone to a public high school in New York City right about the time that Sputnik was launched, and there was a big push for more people to get into science. Even as of the time when I graduated college, I thought that I would become tired of a career in the laboratory. I wanted something more hands-on with people. I can't now have imagined a life better spent. After my internship, my wife and I packed up our car. We crossed over the George Washington Bridge out of Manhattan, and 5 days later I ended up in Zuni, New Mexico at the Zuni Indian Hospital. Was there for the next 4 years, a 40-bed hospital with 4 doctors responsible for basically taking care of all comers. We thought maybe if we could find a community that was rural, one with a community college, that it might be a good fit. And so when I finished my residency, we said, well, we'll try this place out for a year. We'll see how this works. And we're still here now, so clearly it has worked well. 5 years ago, when I turned 70, I decided to retire from my outpatient practice. I had been in practice here in Humboldt County for 40 years. I felt a deep sense of loyalty to the patients that I cared for giving their trust in me for all those years. I think the biggest challenge in medical care in our county currently is manpower shortages. We have long waiting lists for patients waiting to see specialists in any one of a number of specialties. In 2015, the CEO of St. Joseph Hospital Eureka and the CEO of Open Door Clinic, which is our local federal qualified health center, got together and said, you know, we're both having difficulty recruiting primary care physicians. If we pool our resources, we have all of the component parts that it would take to make a really good family medicine residency up here. Our hospital is a regional medical center. It's the only regional medical center for 200 miles in any direction. We're the STEMI receiving hospital. We have the level 3 trauma center. We have the level 2 neonatal intensive care unit. We have the regional cancer center. All sophisticated avenues of medicine that primary care physicians have to know about. I was asked to be part of the planning committee to plan for the residency program, and it's been my privilege for the last 8 years to work on the planning stages of the residency. And then for the last 5 years, when we've had our first, second, and finally third class of residents here, to be involved in teaching the residents.
Bruce's role, I think, in the beginning, being a long-term member of this community, he was fearlessly shepherding everybody together in one direction.
We've been very fortunate to have a lot of support from our specialists across the board who have volunteered their time to be involved in teaching our residents. It actually improves the quality of medical care across the community.
Bruce, I can't think of anybody on the planet who deserves this more than you, and I want to tell you how grateful I am for the impact you've had on my life professionally and the inspiration that you continue to give me in my career. Thank you.
Congratulations, Bruce, on winning this award. I'm happy that I had some kind of participation in this, at least in supporting you. And I'm very pleased that you've been recognized after so many long years of work that you've put into this community.
I can't imagine another rural physician in California that deserves the recognition more than Bruce. He's just an exceptionally fine doc and human being.
Bruce, you have done so much for our community, helping bring a residency program here, the effort to bring more physicians to this area, to attract them here. So I'm really proud of you and really happy that you're being recognized for all you've done for our community.
I want to say congratulations, first of all. I'm not surprised, you know, I know he's a top-rated physician. I wouldn't expect any less, but I'm happy when I see great physicians like this get recognized, so congratulations.
I can't thank you enough for your devotion to this community and to me and my family and employees. You made a real difference.
Congratulations, Bruce. I cannot think of anyone more deserving of this honor. I know you won't let it go to your head because you're not that sort of person, but I hope you will use it to continue to push for better medical care for all of us in our rural medical desert.
Congratulations, Dr. Kessler. I think you very much deserve this award. You've been nothing but kind to us and encouraging to all of us residents.
He is the rural practice doc. He's not just a doctor, he's all of the things.
Bruce, I am so happy to know that you've been selected for this prize as the California Rural Doctor of the Year. It's most well-deserved award, and I look forward to celebrating this honor with you as soon as we get together next.
When I had the opportunity and heard that people were putting you up for the Plessner Award, there was no question that I was supportive of that. I couldn't think of a better physician to get an award like this.